If you're anywhere in this risk zone today, listen up. This is a very large enhanced zone by the Storm Prediction Center, meaning a lot of people today could be affected by dangerous winds, large hail, and potentially strong tornadoes. As long as you're weather alert and you have a plan, you'll be just fine, but it's definitely best to stay up to date with what's going on throughout the day. And this is starting soon, so this is going to be a quick video and then I'm going to hop on live to cover it. This is a 10% hatch risk for tornadoes, meaning we could see significant tornadoes in this yellow area, but again, they're possible anywhere in this zone. Right here, we have a 15 to 30% hatch risk for strong winds, meaning 60 to 75 plus mile per hour gusts are definitely possible in this area associated with these thunderstorms and especially the squall line that looks to move through today. This right here is our 15 to 30% hatch for hail, meaning 2, 3, even 4-inch hail is possible in this area. Not everyone's going to see hail from this, but some people could. And what may be one of the most impressive looks today is this 45% wind risk from the SPC. This does include central to western Tennessee, western Kentucky, almost all of Indiana, western Ohio, southern Michigan, and portions of eastern Illinois. Really, from about 4 p.m. to midnight, the squall line and a lot of these thunderstorms associated around it are going to be producing these strong winds up here in the Ohio Valley and portions of the Midwest. Most likely beginning at around 4 p.m. It's just going to be late afternoon over here in Illinois, and then around midnight as we get over towards central Ohio. Again, exact storm timing can be a little off sometimes, so you want to really be prepared a little bit before or after. And what we're looking at right here is our significant tornado parameter, or our SIGTOR parameter. To simplify it, everything in this colored area right here is where the HRRR is signifying that we could see a significant tornado. Again, that would be an EF2+. And this SIGTOR parameter is really igniting at around 6 p.m. as we move into the Ohio Valley. Again, we want to watch late afternoon all the way through tonight though. Moving into tomorrow, you can see the SPC has now issued an enhanced risk zone for portions of the southeast moving up the coast. This does come with a 10% tornado risk zone through here and a 30% risk for wind, which is pretty high as well through that same area. Timing wise, where it looks like these severe storms could really amp up in the east, looks to be around 12 in the afternoon tomorrow. And then really pushing off the coast around 7 to 8 p.m. So there's going to be a lot of heating and fuel for these storms out here during the day when they're moving through. So if you're out here, have weather alerts on Monday and keep up to date. Lastly, this is the day 4 severe probability forecast from CSU. And they already have a high hatched risk zone in here for this upcoming Thursday, April 3rd. And we could see this initiate on Wednesday. This right here would be an even bigger event than what we're expecting today. I've been talking about this for a while. The trend has held. This could be a very significant severe weather day that's setting up. I appreciate you watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow or sub. I make posts like this every day and I stream every night. I'll see you in the next video.